Hi everyone. I know it's been a long time since I did a video. Apologies for that. I guess that's what happens when you only do music as a kind of part-time, not even part-time, it's just as a hobby, just a few hours when I can spare it. But anyway, so there was a chat on one of the Facebook groups I was part of just recently that was talking about sound effects and how that you must make sure that if you're going to release any sound effects packs, anything like that, then the source material has to be your own and not someone else's, just to avoid copyright issues. So I'm not going to go into detail about that. But what that discussion reminded me of was that some while ago I recorded some raw sounds with the idea of doing something with them, and just I'll just never have time to. So what I decided to do, I decided just to give all these sounds away for free. So anyone can use them for whatever they want to. They can use them in recordings, they can use them in work, they can mash them up and smash them about and sell them on. I just don't care. So just I have these sounds, and if you want to use them, do, and if you don't, then don't. That's no problem with me. So but it'd be really nice just to know what you do with them. So if you make some sound effects with you, just tag me in or link me in or something. Or if you use them in tracks, and you can it stands out enough to hear it decently, then just link me up the track just so I can hear. Just be really exciting to see what you guys can do with them. And someone has already made a wicked kind of war horn kind of sound with some of these bits pieces already. So there's just loads of chance here. So here goes, have the sounds. So and I thought I'd just play through them just now, just so you can hear them. They're all WAVs. They're all 48 kilohertz stereo. But they are absolutely not processed at all, so they've got no processing on them whatsoever. They're just literally the raw recordings, just kind of chopped up basically. So the story behind these is that as I said, I don't do music even part-time. It's a few hours if I get it. So I have done other jobs, and most of you maybe won't know, but some of you will know that in the past I have dipped in and out of being a bus and coach driver. So I'm qualified to do that, and I've dipped in and out where I've needed to. So a little while back I was working for my local bus company, and they've got this massive what we call the running shed, and it's where a lot of the vehicles are stored overnight inside. But it's basically just a giant corrugated metal space. It must be like 50 foot by 100 foot or maybe even bigger. It's absolutely massive. And so it's got just this insane reverb on it, because it's just a big empty metal shed. So it's got this really cool reverb. And someone honked the horn of one of the buses during the day. When you first get there in the morning, because it's all full, it's a little bit dead. But someone honked the horn of a bus at some point just during the day when it was mostly empty. And it was just this really cool kind of massive noise, and I thought that's really cool. So I got permission to do some field recordings in there with one of the buses and some other bits and pieces. So hopefully it's a little bit unique from that point of view. Hopefully most people don't get access to a serviced bus running shed and a bus with which to do some recording. So hopefully these are a little bit unique. As I say, if you want to use them, then please do. So there's not many, just what I was able to do. I learned some lessons doing these recordings. Some things I would do differently, or maybe different next time. But I'll explain more as we go through. So there's not very many, but I say these are all free, and I will put the Dropbox link to them down in the description. So have a look for that there. You can just download them as you're deciding. And there's a README text file which gives you all the information as well if you need it. So we've been going plenty long enough. Let's get into it. So the first three sounds are just literally hand claps, 3 hand claps, just because again it's just a great echo. What you'll notice is a lot of noise on these. That's one of the lessons I learned, is about background noise and just noise generally. So what I've done, I've not put it in here in this video, but in the downloads there's actually just a little snippet of just the background noise. So if you want to use any denoise plugins, the ones that pick up the noise and then remove those noise elements are saved there as well for each of the sounds, or each of the sound categories. So they're a bit noisy, but here we go. So there's 3 claps in a row. I might as well just play through all of those. They sound like this. There you go. So 3 hand claps. As you can hear, they are a bit noisy, but as I say, yeah, let's go for it. Then I also found in there just a standard traffic cone. And I thought it'd be quite nice if I kind of thumped that on the floor a couple of times to get some kind of boomy, deep, lower noises. I imagine you can pitch any of this stuff down massively, turn it into risers or whooshes, or you know, some of the hiss, maybe the cones and the claps. You can make a percussion kit out of it. But as I say, be creative. Let me know what you do. Anyway, so there's 2 cone hits, and they sound like this. If I actually play the right ones. Let's try again, So that's 2 cone hits. I'm going to skip that riser whoosh because that is actually just one sound that I did create myself. We'll come back to them in a bit. This next one is, as you can see, it's quite long. You see it's called Scania Engine. So the bus that I used is called a Scania Omni-City. It's a long single decker, 36, 38 foot long. And there's loads of these driving around, certainly in my local area, and I drove lots of these as well. But anyway, so it's some engine noises. It's, you know, start up running, a little bit of revving that I thought maybe could be used partly as a riser, or I don't know, just some kind of noise effect. So this is just a little bit long, but just, you know, listen through to this Scania engine noises. It's got artifacts in it, some deliberate, lots of engine hisses. That's just the nature of what they are. But let's have a listen. So interesting. Just while I was listening to that, then on the quieter bits where it was just idling, I don't know if you could hear that overtone. That kind of, it was where it was something somewhere up there, possibly an octave higher than that, but somewhere up there was kind of an overtone that was the noise of the engine reverberating around inside this big metal shed. That was just kind of interesting. It would give a nice little kind of artifacty kind of thing on a mashup there. And just a quick second Scania engine. This is, I think, just a startup. I think that's all it is. Yeah, and actually that overtone, you could hear it then better in that one. That's the fan, the engine fan. So there's particular buses have 4 big fans at the back that try and cool the engine. They can be quite noisy, but that's what was generating that overtone noise. And then lastly was what started this all off, which was the Scania horn. They've got big air-powered horns, so they're really cool. So this is just a great noise. I think this noise is really amazing. Just play it out. Yeah. I know it doesn't sound a lot and it's pretty quick, but you can pitch that down and just turn it into something, stick some reverb on it, and mash it about a bit and turn it into something really cool. So, hey, there we go. So that's the sounds. I said I would just flip back to the one sound, sort of proper sound that I'd created, and that I called this kind of riser whooshy thing. I kind of layered. I layered 3 different pitch levels of that horn, reversed them back again to on top of each other, and so it's not major, it's nothing huge, but this is just this kind of noise that I created. Which is kind of quite cool. And again, you feel free to use that if you want to mash it about. You might just find that I use that possibly in something that I might create at some point. But there we go. So that's called The Running Shed, and some free sound effects for you. Link down below in the description. Again, apologies, it's been a long time for a video, but if you want to subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again very soon.